Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to configure distributed services on Homaxi VMS. Stay with us. Homaxi VMS supports distributed deployment services, enabling more devices to configure event alert services and recording storage services through distributed deployment. This reduces server pressure and meets customer needs. Install the complete VMS service on the main server. Simultaneously, install recorder server and event server on distributed servers. Run the VMS server on the main server. Right-click on the service icon in the lower right corner, click the Settings button. Export the security file, and save it. On the distributed server, take Event Server as an example. Run the event server. Then right-click on the service icon in the lower right corner. Click Settings, and import the file saved from the main server. Perform the same action for synchronizing recorder server. Return to the main server, open VMS, go to Maintenance, and add the event server and recorder server of the distributed servers. Check the status to ensure they are online. When finished adding, if there are multiple distributed servers, repeat the above steps for each one. In the VMS, you can configure the event alert and recording storage functionalities based on your needs. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.